Ito ang potato farm ng Netherlands. Malawak siya, but hindi lang ito, marami dito sa Netherlands. Potato or patatas is one of the most important food crops here in the Netherlands. Netherlands ranks among the world's top 10 potato producers. Dutch still plant almost 25% of their arable land and achieve world record average yields level of more than 45 tons per hectare. Kaya nandito tayo sa kanilang farm, ipakita ko sa inyo kasi only half of the Netherlands potato crop is grown directly for food. Around 20% is seed potatoes and the remaining 30% is processed for starch. About 70% of Dutch where potatoes is exported in the form of fresh tubers and potato products such as chips and flour. The Netherlands is the world's major supplier of certified seed potatoes with export of some 700,000 tons a year. Ito ang kanilang pangunahing pagkain. Sa atin, rice. Sila, potato or patatas. Sa atin, ihalo natin sa karne, beef, pork, or chicken. Ganito ang sa kanila, may timpla na. At saka you have to fry it. And then, unlike iba yung french fries. And then separate yung like beef or pork. Magluluto din sila separate. Parang ito ang rice sa kanila. Ang sa atin iba talaga, rice talaga. They have their own way how to cook it together with beef. Sa atin, halo talaga sa karne. Sa kanila hindi. They have their own way of cooking. Sometimes, ilaga nila sa tubig. And then smash it. And then put it in a ground pork where the ground pork is already cooked. So, sa atin talaga, wala. We really mix it with vegetables. Oh, kasi, di ba tabang siya? Oo. Pero, masarap siya. Masarap siya. So, may mga pamaraan sila paano siya ihalo sa karne. Oo. But, in a different way. But usually, they separate it. They eat it with potato only. And they cook chicken, for example. Or beef or pork in a different way. So, ganyan sila dito. And kung kumakain din sila ng rice, kaya lang hindi palagi. So, you are lucky if you have a husband na kumakain ng rice araw-araw. Gaya ng asawa ko, kumakain siya ng rice. So, okay lang yun. Hindi masyadong maarte. Pero yung iba hindi talaga kasi hindi sila nasanay. And this is the truck. Ito ang truck, a machine that will harvest the potato because ang lawak kasi ng kanilang farm. Makikita ninyo ang bahay malayo. Oh, this is the way how they harvest the potato. Pag ang potato wala nang parang patay na siya halos, saka sila magsimula ng harvest.